Good morning, children. Now I am going to take science for you. So this is revision lesson number 5, food of animals. Okay, children. So this is revision for you. So lesson number 5, the lesson name is food of animals. Okay, children. So I think already I have completed the classwork. So those who have not completed the classwork, you can see this video and complete the classwork. Okay, children. Now, first main hard words. First one, around. AROUND, around. Second one, healthy. HEALTHY, healthy. Third one, provides. PROVIDES, provides. Fourth one, herbivore. HERBIVORE, herbivore. Fifth one, carnivore. CARNIVORE, carnivore. Sixth one, omnivore. OMNIVORE, omnivore. Seventh one, crocodile. CROCODILE, crocodile. Eighth one, nectar. NECTAR, nectar. Ninth one, energy. ENERGY, energy. 10th one, biting. BITING, biting. 11th one, buffaloes. BUFFALOES, buffaloes. 12th one, stomach. STOMACH, stomach. 13th one, swallow. SWALLOW, swallow. 14th one, chewing. CHEWING, chewing. 15th one, tongue. TONGUE, tongue. So these are the hard words. So once again I am going to repeat. First one, around. Second one, healthy. Third one, provides. Fourth one, herbivore. Fifth one, carnivore. Sixth one, omnivore. Seventh one, crocodile. Eighth one, nectar. Ninth one, energy. 10th one, biting. 11th one, buffaloes. 12th one, stomach. 13th one, swallow. 14th one, chewing. 15th one, tongue. Now second main, match the following. First one, in the A side, rabbit. Second one, tiger. Third one, crow. Fourth one, sheep. Fifth one, horse. Sixth one, dog. So in the B side, first one, omnivorous. Second one, wool. Third one, herbivorous. Fourth one, carry loads. Fifth one, kennel. Sixth one, carnivorous. So you must match the numbers, or you can write the numbers. First one, rabbit. So in the B side, in the third line, it is herbivorous. So you write there 1. Second one, tiger. So tiger, it is a carnivorous animal. So it will eat flesh of other animals. But rabbit, it will eat only plants, grass, and also we will call it as herbivorous. And the tiger, it will eat the flesh of other animals. So we will call them as carnivorous. So in the sixth line in the B side, it is a carnivorous. So you write there 2. Next, the third one, crow. So it will eat flesh of other animals and grass, plants, and also we will call it as omnivorous. So in the B side, in the first line, it is there omnivorous. So you write there 3. Fourth one, sheep. So sheep, it gives us wool, no? So in the B side, in the second line, there is wool. So you write there number 4. Fifth one, horse. So horse, it will carry loads for us and it will carry peoples also. So in the B side, in the fourth line, carry loads is there. So you write there 5. Sixth one, dog. So dog, it lives in the kennel. So in the B side, in the fifth line, it is there kennel. So you write there number 6. Okay, children. So now I will say correct answer. Rabbit, herbivorous. Tiger, carnivorous. Crow, omnivorous. Sheep, wool. Horse, carry loads. Dog, kennel. Okay, children. So these are the following. Next, the third main. Answer the following questions. First one, why do animals need food? So animals need food to grow, to move around and to stay healthy. Food provides energy to them to do various activities. ANIMALS animals, NEED need, FOOD food, TO2, GROW grow, TO2, FOVE move, AROUND around, and TO2, STAY stay, HEALTHY healthy, FOOD food, PROVIDES provides, ENERGY energy, TO2, THEM them, TO2, DO2, VARIOUS various, ACTIVITS activities. Second one, name the three types in which animals can be divided on the basis of their food habits. So answer is animals can be divided into three: herbivore, carnivore and omnivore. ANIMALS animals, CAN can, BEB, DIVIDED divided, INTO into THREE3, HERBIVORE herbivore, CARNIVORE carnivore, and OMNIVORE omnivore. Third one, name two flesh-eating animals. Answer is lion, tiger, fox. LION lion, TIGER tiger, FOX fox. Now next one, fourth one, name two animals that swallow their food as a whole. Answer, frog, crocodile, lizard, etc. FROG frog, CROCODILE crocodile, LIZARD lizard, etc. etc. Frog, crocodile, lizard, etc. Fifth one, what kind of teeth do grass eating animals have? Answer, grass eating animals have strong, broad, sharp, biting teeth in front and grinding, chewing teeth at the back with space in between. GRASS grass, EATING eating, ANIMALS animals, HAV have, STRONG strong, BROAD broad, SHARP sharp, BITING biting, TEETH teeth, INN, FRONT front, and GRINDING grinding, TEETH teeth, AT the, BACK back, WITH with, SPACE space, INN, BETWEEN in between. Sixth one, what is cud chewing? Give two examples which chew cud. Answer, some animals like cows and buffaloes first swallow their food and after some time they bring it back into the mouth out of their stomach and begin to chew it. This is known as chewing the cud or rumination. SOM is some, ANIMALS animals, LIKE like, COW cow, and BUFFALOES buffaloes, FIRST first, SWALLOW swallow, THEIR there, FOD food, and AFTER after, SYME, TIME sometime, THEY there, BRING bring, IT8, BSC back, INTO into, TH the, MYOTH mouth, OUT out, OF off, THEIR there, STOMACH stomach, and BEGIN begin, TO2 CHEW IT it, THISS this, ISE is KNOWN known, ASS CHEWING chewing, TH the COD card, RUMINATION rumination. Seventh one, how do snakes eat their food? Snakes swallow their food without chewing. Snakes. SWALLOW swallow. THEIR there. FOD food. WITHOUT without. CHEWING chewing. Eighth one, what kind of tongue does a butterfly has? The butterfly has long coiled tube which is used as a tongue. The butterfly sucks nectar from flowers with the help of its long coiled tube. The BUTTERFLY butterfly. HS has LONG long. COILED coiled TUBE tube. WHICH which ISEs USED used. AS as TONGUE tongue. TH the BUTTERFLY butterfly. SUCKS sucks. NECTAR nectar. FROM from. FLOW EORS flowers. WITH with. TH the. HELP help. OF of. ITS its. LONG long. COILED coiled. TUBE tube. So this is 8th one question answer. Next, 9th one. Name 2 organisms that suck liquid food. Answer: flies, mosquitoes, butterfly, etc. FLIES flies. MOSQUITOES mosquitoes. BUTTERFLY butterfly, etc. etc. 10th one. Why should we take care of domestic animals? Answer: domestic animals need more care because they serve us. They must be fed properly with the right amount of food at the right time to stay healthy. They also need enough water to drink, which should be given to them in clean vessels. All domestic animals need a place to stay and to sleep. Animals are our friends and we must be kind to them. DOMESTIC domestic. ANIMALS animals. NEED need. MORE more. CARE care. BECAUS because. THEY they. SERVE serve. US us. THEY they. MUST must. BEB fed. PROPERLY properly. WITH with. TH the. RIGHT right. AMOUNT amount. OF of. FOD food. AT TH the. RIGHT right. TIME time. TO2 STAY stay. HEALTHY healthy. THEY they. ALSO also. NEED need. ENOUGH enough. WAT your water. TO2 DRINK drink. WHICH which. SHOULD should. GIVEN given. TO2 THEM them. IN CLEAN clean. VESSELS vessels. ALL all. DOMESTIC domestic. ANIMALS animals. NEED need. A PLACE place, TO2 STAY stay, and SLEEP sleep, ANIMALS animals, AROR our, FRIENDS friends, and WVMUST must, BEB KIND kind, TO2 THEM them. So these are the question answers. Now next main, fill in the blanks. First one, the cow is a dash eating animal. So in the dash you must write plant, PLANT plant. Second one, the butterfly sucks dash from flowers, NECTAR nectar. So in the dash, nectar, NECTAR nectar. Third one, animals need food for dash and dash. So in the first dash you must write growth, GROWTH growth. And in the second dash, ENERGY energy. Fourth one, dash or plant eating animals. So in the dash you must write herbivorous, HERBIVORES herbivorous. Fifth one, dash or flesh eating animals. So in the dash you must write carnivorous, CARNIVORES carnivorous. So these are the fill in the blanks. Next main, fifth main, write yes or no to the following statements. First one, animals can make their own food. So that is wrong. So in the bracket you write NO no. Second, plant eating animals are herbivorous. Yes, that is correct. So in the bracket you write YES, yes. Third one, horses help us in carrying goods. So in the bracket you write YES, yes. Fourth one, a frog swallows its food. So that also is correct. So in the bracket you write YES, yes. Fifth one, horses are kept in kennel. So horses are kept in stable. Here they are given kennel. So that is wrong. So you write NO, no. Okay children? No, any doubt children? So these are the revisions of lesson number 5, food of animals. Okay children? If you have any doubt, please ask me. Okay children? I think you could have understood this revision. So once again I am saying that if you have already written in the classwork, please practice in the rough note. If you have not completed the classwork, see this video and complete the classwork. Okay children? Thank you.